The rain makes Storm feisty. Back. He's like, just open the gate already, lady. All right, so that was a little insane. He was so pushy while I was trying to open the gate. Pretty rude. It's raining. Kiddos are out here. Say hi. Baby's got a little rain protection. But these leaves have all fallen off the trees here. And it is full-blown rainy, stormy season. Here's the goats. They got their little house they're all in. That one right there with its head on the bottom, she like barely comes out when it's raining. She'll just stick her head out for food. They hate the rain. Oh man, the chickens need an upgrade. They need to be moved, but it busted right here in half. So I have to rebuild it. This is what happens after like a week. You know? It's pretty solid manure. And they need some more rain protection. What? Beasley doesn't like this? She says, let me out. Right? Okay guys, this is the crazy part. This is the creek. There is so much water here. It's really crazy. And when that floods, see behind me right there behind the gate, it starts coming across the road from the neighbor's property all the way into our field, and it floods the chickens. Here's behind me the creek inlet. It's pretty thick there. Our little section was cleaned out, so it's like a lot wider than a lot of people's. There you can see it. There, it'll focus. It's so full. Jump! Jump! Bam! She caught it! Jump, jump! This little one here. She doesn't look feisty right now. She is the feistiest.